Google Pixel 3 XL, which was originally expected to be officially released by Google next Tuesday, has unexpectedly flown into the Hong Kong market. So first of all, let's talk about the appearance. If you look at the back of the phone, you may not immediately see the difference between it and the previous generation Pixel 2 XL because it is the same in design. Let's everyone look at the wrong distance. At a close distance, the glass material is used above the fingerprint identifier on the back of the phone and the metal material is used below the fingerprint reader. The physical buttons is still only concentrated on the right side of the fuselage. It looks like it is all black, but when you look at some angles, you will see that key is blue, which is very special. There is still a fingerprint reader on the back of the phone, which is very easy to use. The bottom of the machine still has a USB-C slot. It is worth mentioning that the screen can be seen as 6.3 inches instead of the previous 6.7 inches. Still only using a single SIM card design, did not follow other mobile phone manufacturers including Apple to join the support dual SIM card standby. The interface of the Android 9.0 Pie is adopted in the interface, which is very simple and easy to use. Pixel 3 XL screen is 6.3 inches compared with the iPhone XS with 6.5 screen. It is a little thinner. It adopts full screen design, but the left side of the machine still retains a little side position and the earpiece speaker in the position of M word can output stereo sound effects. According to FidaHussain, the Pixel 3 XL screen resolution is 1440 x 2960, but it is estimated that it is not AMOLED OLED already in use in Pixel 2 XL. The size is also 6.3 as mentioned. We have tried most of the time. Pixel 3 XL M character will not cover the content on the screen, especially in the 16:9 ratio of the film, but there will be too large on both sides black border. Only when 16:9 movies is displayed on the full screen or when the 18:9 movie is viewed, some of the content is covered by M word size. As for the lens, the generation has also been strengthened, especially the front lens from the previous generation single mirror to the current generation of the double mirrors. It is estimated that it is more convenient for everyone to take high quality shallow depth of field portrait photos, called bokeh portraits, but the time limit cannot be tested for everyone, only waiting for the opportunity to test it for everyone in the future. As for the rear lens, the 12.2 megapixel lens is the same as the Pixel 2 XL lens shown in the FidaHussain. The quality of the lens has been shot in many scenes, especially in low light environments. Yes, it is similar to the iPhone XS Max, which is quite good. The main lens of the back is still a single lens design, but the front lens is changed to double mirror lens. The camera interface seems to have more functions than the previous generation. On the Pixel side, the front and back mirrors are 8 millions and 12.2 millions respectively. Try the indoor low light environment first. The first one is taken with the Pixel 3 XL. The second one is iPhone XS Max. From the photo, Pixel 3 XL will be white and light, and the scene, the yellower lights are not very similar. On the contrary, the iPhone XS Max is more capable of shooting. What about the situation of large light environment? The first one was shot with Pixel 3 XL and the second one was iPhone XS Max. It can be seen that in this environment, Pixel 3 XL is better at controlling the highlight position so that the light position is not overexposed. The position can be seen to a certain degree of fineness. On the contrary, the iPhone XS Max light position is not well controlled, causing the entire photo to appear to be too light. And yeah, finally, sport wireless charging. Another addition to the Pixel 3 XL is the Google's family. Finally, sports wireless charging, although it is unknown whether the wireless charging on the Pixel 3 XL poses a speed difference. It has tested in the field. Its wireless charging is actually used and the response is quite fast. It's likely that prices for the Pixel 3 will start at $700 stateside, reaching nearly $1,000 in the case of Pixel 3 XL 128GB of version. So guys, what do you think about this? Share your thoughts and views in the comment section below. And yeah, peace.